Today, I'm here with my wife and some old college buddies hanging out in Statesboro. If you haven't heard of Statesboro, it's located about 3 to 4 hours away from Atlanta in rural Georgia. Statesboro is home to Georgia Southern University and very much has that small college town feel. While we did spend some time in downtown, most of our trip was spent on a farm not too far away from the city, where I shot some pretty amazing drone and action cam footage. So here I am on the JJJ Getaway Farm. Now, for those of you that want to come visit this place, you can't because it's privately owned. And a little history on this farm. This farm was owned by my good friend father's mother. And when she passed away, unfortunately, his father went ahead and started to renovate the house. So the house is fully renovated, it's beautiful, and he's gone on to buy more land. They actually farm here in some spaces. For sure they farm pine trees, which is one of the main crops on the farm today, but over the years that I've been here, they've farmed things like peanuts and cotton. And candidly, it's really one of the coolest places that I really enjoy coming to. And every couple years we get together here as a bunch of old friends from college, and man, it is just fun. One of the things that I've spent time doing here is flying drone footage around. And secondly, I got a lot of footage of just driving around in go-karts. Now, there's nothing like driving around in a go-kart, and this was the one that I was driving. They've got a bunch of them here, but this one was the one that I used, and it was pretty fast. And the coolest thing about it was all of the different trails that they've already carved out. So Jared's father is retired, super cool guy, loves this farm, puts his heart and soul into it. And one of the things he's done is build paths with bulldozers and other things all throughout the property. So I'll show some footage of that, but basically you're sitting here going through pine tree fields and by lakes. Some paths are more carved out than others, which makes the experience even better. So anyway, I really enjoyed it. I'll show some footage here. Hopefully you guys will enjoy it too.
not be my birthday, but I just wanna celebrate. I just wanna celebrate, 'cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate all night. Magic coursing throughout my veins. I don't want it to stop. I feel invincible in every way. I'ma give it all I got. It may not be my birthday, but I just want to celebrate. I just want to celebrate, 'cause it's a good day, good life. I just want to celebrate.
All right. Well, catch you guys on the next one.